morning, we hear scratching in the damn vent. We thought it was a rat or a mouse or something. Turns out... hold on.
Come on back in, Travis. Hurry up,
It's a fucking bird.
Come in, close the door. Close the door, Travis. Close the door, Travis.
Travis!
Alright, hold the vent. Travis, hold the vent.
Alright, fine.
Hold it.
I'm taking a video. Oh my god.
Alright, I've lived in New York City for 25 years. Give me this. Alright, I'm going for it now.
Go for it. Give me a cigarette.
Give me a cigarette back. I know you're in distress, Bird. Alright, you listen. Travis.
What?
You better hold this. It's not. Do not let that go. Okay. It's vital that you don't let that go. If he gets back up there, we're fucked.
Okay.
Get him.
Ready?
You can do this.
Yes, I am.
Listen, I know you're in distress, sir. I'm going to do this as nice as possible. You gotta take it off from the other side. All right. And then... Raven, so let it go! Okay, buddy. I'm coming for you.
Perfect. You got him. Quickly.
Just go quick.
Swiftly.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Don't let it go, Travis. Alright, let him go. Turn it. Listen. Don't attack me. What are you doing, Schuler? I'm trying to get him to you. I need you in the back. You need to turn around. Alright. Yeah, get him.
Get him.
Wait, go. Don't let him go back up. Oh my god! What the fuck? No! What the fuck? Travis, please. No!
That is not going to work. That bird is going to start flying again.
My arm is tired.
Alright. Get out of here. I need to get that way. Just grab him.
Listen, the bin is slipping.
Come on, buddy.
It's slipping.
He's not hurting.
The bin is slipping.
Go, let him go there. Let him go there.
We got you, Mr. Bird. It's okay.
Just grab him. That's such a pussy.
Put him in the bin.
Put him in the bin.
Put him in the bin.
Take a video of me. I got him.
We got him! We got the bird. Now put him in the bin. Come on, try to bite you.
No, but the camera was in there.
Just put it in the bin.
Alright.